We back here at the shop. I got
back at it.
Is that you or me?
That's you.
I'm over at Jamo's shop. We're gonna try to dyno this thing today. Jamo and I trying to figure out what just happened on the last run. So, axle broke. I guess 160 horsepower and 80 foot-pound of torque will break an axle in a Kei Truck. It's gonna get sent back to the donut garage. I got a flight already booked for Cali, so I'm gonna finish it up over there. So the plan is, Sean.
What up?
Sean, yeah. We're gonna take this rear out because you guys saw before we have toothpicks as axles and they're broken again. They're broken.
Look at that.
See, you should look at the other side. You see the other side's not moving at all?
It's crazy.
So we're gonna drop it out and then we're going to replace it with this thing.
What we got?
We got a Ford 8-inch rear out of something. And it just so happens that it's the right length and we just got to put a third member in it, make some axles, and we're gonna stick it back in. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this one out and see if we could salvage the brakes and whatever out of this one and then give it to the rear end guy, swap stuff over.
Cool, let's do it.
Let's get it.
Right.
Oh yeah! Oh my God. One more. Tell you hold the brakes?
Yes!
Ah. That's not what how's it doing the burnout? Yo, you're not holding the brake. I am. This shit ain't funny, man.
All right, let's run it, let's run it. What else can we do in the meantime?
We can't, we gotta take the wheels off.
We got 2 more lugs to go.
What you doing standing over there, man? You put your foot on the wheel, because the brakes don't work that well in the back. Ready? And I'm gonna hold the brake, ready? 1, 2. Oh! Shit!
One more lug.
No way!
There's 4 lugs.
There it is. Why is it so difficult? Why is this shit so difficult?
You put it on.
We did.
You.
Yeah, you put it on.
He said we. You.
I ain't French, there's no we. We gotta get the other wheel off.
1, 2.
Oh my God. What? Oh shit.
2 more. 1, 2. Yeah. 1 more.
Come on.
1, 2.
Look at that. Oh, we left one loose?
Yeah.
Good thing
You
it's
left
not.
1 loose.
Good thing this thing's not 5 lug. Why was it that difficult to take a wheel off?
Take the wheel off.
Everything on this truck is difficult.
See? See? This thing hates me. It hates me. That's the stock rear end out of the Kei Truck. Ford 8-inch. Bigger, gooder. And it happens to be, I don't know what the heck this was out of, but it happens to be the right size because we needed the rear end 6 inches wider, and that's it, 6 inches wider. So we're gonna bring the rear out to J&S in Huntington Beach, and they're going to put the center section in, they call that the third member, and build us a set of custom axles so we could still run the 4x100 wheels. Tony's got the axle, it's on the way to Huntington, so let's work on getting all that stuff back on the truck.
Put the kit back on?
Yeah, man, I think it's done. So, I mean, I think all the holes are there already. Yeah, they're here.
Oh, they're ready.
Yeah, so all we gotta do is just slap that thing back on.
Yeah, man, since I got here, man, since Soupy been back, man, he been tripping, man. He been having me do everything, man. Honestly, look, between me and y'all, look, I'm the one showing Soupy how to do this. Yeah, y'all know I put this together. I did this right here, look at that. That's all me right there. I put the motor in. That's all me right there. You see that right there? I put that tranny on. I did the drive shaft, fuel cell. You know what I'm saying? Your boy got skills, man. I did all that stuff. See, Soupy will never tell y'all I did this, but I did this intake manifold too. I made this. Oh, he heard me. Oh.
Yo, I never knew Sean was so full of shit.
This truck is gonna fight you to the very end.
This truck just does not like, yo man, every time I turn around, it's like, you, I'm not going back the other.
Hold on, Sean, as the builder of this entire truck, what's the issue right now?
You know what I'm saying? When I put this truck together, I want to make it different than any Kei truck out there. You know what I'm saying? And then, you know, this is too easy for me. So I told Soupy to do it since it's too easy for me. I sent it to him. He gave it back and it got more problems.
Now we can't even mount the body kit
We
no
can't
more.
put the body kit up, man.
Why can't we put the body kit on?
You see this right here? It's hidden right here in the lift, so not gonna be able to do it. We gotta drop the car, but we can't drop the car because we just took the rear end out. So body kit's gonna have to wait. And that means I get to go home early. So peace, y'all.
We're over here at J&S Gear Company. We're picking up the new rear end for the Kei truck. We switched it out to a Ford rear end, so it had to take a bunch of modifications to do so. It takes a lot more work than I can handle, or that takes a lot more skill than I have. So we dropped it off here at J&S. Let's go pick it up. There it is. That's our old little puny, pathetic rear end, and that's our new one. I'm gonna go grab Gary so he can explain to us exactly what went on in our new rear. What's up, man? You wanna give me a quick rundown of what that is?
We made it 4 inches wider, put a mini spool in it with good Tom's axles that we had to custom re-drill for you guys' 4-on-100 pattern.
Alrighty.
Got some metric studs in there. These are Willwood brakes, but of course they don't make Willwood brakes for this, so they've had to be custom drilled to match your guys' pattern.
Okay.
But everything else should be bolt in, plug and play ready.
Oh yeah, you guys even made the purchase for us, right?
Yeah, they're reinforced, a little stronger, take a little more abuse.
So let me ask you, because the axle that's in that thing is about the size of my thumb.
Maybe.
How big is the one in here?
They're about, they're pretty solid. They're of that same thickness right there.
Wow.
That is more beefier.
Yeah, that's a lot more girth than the other one. All right, man, thanks.
All right,
I'm gonna load up, and I'm kind of excited to get this thing on the truck. So we back at the shop, and I got my man Sean with me.
Back at it.
We're gonna get the rear end that we just picked up back in there. Sean, what do you think, man?
Came out nice.
Look how big this thing compared to the last one, right?
Way different. So that means we can do more burnouts, more stuff.
We're not breaking this. We're not breaking this.
Not at all. We're gonna try though.
We're gonna try, but I don't think it's gonna happen. All right. So the only problem that I see now is now that we have disc brakes, we had little drum brakes that fit right through the hole before. So now a little bit extra step. We got to take the spring out.
So that means a little more work.
A little more work. Why do you think I called you over?
Man, I know. Every time it's time to do some work, you're calling me over here. Hey, even though I built this in the first place, you know what I'm saying?
I wasn't gonna take your thunder, so I was like, you know what? Let me let Sean finish this.
You know, it's only right you come get the original building to finish the project. You know what I'm saying? What?
Let's go in. Sean and I put the rear in, got the wheel situated. Now what I have to do is make some brake lines because we had old drum brakes. Now we have nice disc brakes, so I got to make a line from both calipers across the rear and into the old factory line. It shouldn't be that hard. It should take me a couple hours. You just got to get ready. Monday it's gonna go back on the dyno and finish the tune and little details, and this thing will be done. lines are done. I am not good with brake lines. I mean, this is down, dirty, not that pretty, but it's going to work. It's hot, Saturday, just wanna get it done. Next step, shocks. Really easy, into here, up to there. I gotta retie some of these lines right here, and then that's it, done, 2 sides. Rear end is complete. Now it's time to get that drive shaft. And our new drive shaft came back already. That's the old one. Nothing was wrong with it, it's just the ends are different now, you see? See the 2 different ends? Special thanks to the guys over at Drive Lines, and they got that back to us super fast. Thanks again, guys. Pretty quick, simple install, some U-bolts, we're done.
Yeah, look at this. Before it was all wobbly, look now. You don't see none of that. Sturdiness. Made some ghetto brackets, check it out. Yeah, look at that. You know what I'm saying? I did that. You know what I'm saying? Soupy just put me in the matrix. Hey, I don't know how to weld, I don't know how to fabricate, none of that. He just put me in the matrix, teach him how to weld. Teach him how to fabricate. I'm trained. This is what I do. I was born for this.
Jolly wants me to point at my face and say bigger, gooder. Bigger, gooder.
Oh my God!
Ford rear. Bigger, gooder.